Terrence taps. I'm going to show you all the pieces of this combination, and then we're going to spend the next 2 minutes just dancing. So, part one, you got to be aware that we're going to do a step, heel, toe drop with your weight on it. Then we're going to pick up the other foot and do a back brush step, heel, right? Then we're going to do a paddle on this leg. Now my weight's on the other side. I'm going to leg brush step, heel, and that's it. But when it comes time for the break, we'll do 3 in a break. On the 4th time, we'll do double paddles. Leg brush,